Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this delicious and tasty recipe for this traditionally prepared Moroccan couscous. This is a fairly intermediate but simple recipe, which only requires a couple household ingredients, and can be served for lunch and dinner with some argan oil drizzled on top. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go! Firstly, start off with washing all of the veggies and beef, as well as the couscous. Rinse it under cold water a few times until the water is mostly clear. Afterwards, squeeze the water out of the wet couscous as shown. Then add a big pinch of salt and some olive oil and set the couscous aside for a moment. Now take a bigger pot as shown and add in some sliced onions, garlic cloves, and some cubed beef and leave it to cook for a bit with a drizzle of olive oil on high heat. Cut some carrots and white radish as shown and add those, as well as some zucchini and tomatoes to the pot. Add in a decent amount of water, because this is going to be our vegetable beef stock for the couscous later on. Don't forget to season everything while you're at it. Now getting back to the couscous, add a pinch of salt and some olive oil and mix everything together by hand. Make sure that nothing is clumpy and the grains are not too wet. Repeat that process 2 to 3 more times before adding the couscous to a small pot with holes underneath. Set that pot above the one with the stock in it and let the vapor cook the couscous through. After you see the couscous steaming from the top, take it off the heat and pour it into the bowl from earlier again. Add some olive oil and a bit of water and stir everything thoroughly. Also repeat that twice more before serving it. Now it's time to serve everything on a big plate. First off, lay down the couscous and form almost like a hill-looking shape before then adding some of the beef stock and decorating it all around with the veggies, keeping the beef on top in the middle. If you'd like to, also add some hard-boiled eggs on top, since they go well together. Now serve it with some argan oil if you have any, and enjoy this delicious traditional Moroccan couscous. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done and cooked. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.